Hello, my name is Dania Rodriguez, and today I will be presenting over ginseng. This is my final presentation for nutrition for health, fitness, and sports. And we will be going over a review of what a ginseng is, and then we'll dive in deeper into some supplements that are sold here in the US. So, what is ginseng? Ginseng is known to be a root that is big in the Asian culture. Ginseng is known to be a cure for all. This root is known for its rich antioxidant properties. Ginseng is also used here in the United States and is considered one of the most popular herbal medicines in the world. So, there are two types of ginsengs. We have Korean or Asian ginsengs, known as Panax ginseng, and then we have an American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius. Ginseng is very important because there are a couple ways it is used for. It's used for building immunity, regulate blood sugar, improve focus, and reduce inflammation. And here we have a couple pictures of ginseng and how earthy it is, very green, very cool. So, how is ginseng in our bodies metabolically processed? So it's usually known to be taken orally, and due to its bioavailability being low, it requires for gut bacteria to break it down. So ginseng is metabolized by gut microbiome. If a human ingests ginseng, the genocides are not observed through the VI tract and are metabolized by strains of bacteria that is found in our guts. Such bacteria can be Fusobacterium, Mucobacterium, and Probactilla. And here I have demonstrated some pictures of these bacteria that play a big important role in our guts to help break down. All right, now we'll talk about the psychological effects that ginseng plays. Ginseng is known to regulate the immune response by hormonal changes, so basically keeping everything in a homeostasis. It suppresses any psychological diseases such as anxiety and depression and helps prevent stress. Along with this, we see ginseng targets the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal, also known as the HPA. The HPA is very crucial for regulating the body's stress response and maintaining overall health. Along with this, it targets the adrenocorticotropic hormones, which is big on regulating blood pressure and water retention. So, with this being said, ginseng helps regulate all of this so everything flows nice and easy throughout the body. So, research on ginseng. So, a study that was posted on PubMed talks about 21 men and 69 women with ICF, also known as idiopathic chronic fatigue, was administered to them for a 4 week period. After this 4 week period, they were able to see a big increase in their energy levels after these amounts were given to them. Here we can see that ginseng takes a while to kick in. It's not an immediate thing that goes on in our bodies, taken like caffeine. Another study talks about improved memory. The Panax ginseng, also known as American ginseng, was conducted on a trial of groups of young adults. The study takes an average of 22 age around there. Each of them were given around 200 milligrams and 400 milligrams for 8 days. The results of this were that the ones who took 200 milligrams were able to notice a slow fall in mood, such as relaxation, calmness, more fun, whereas those who had a little bit more, 400 milligrams, were able to have more of an increase in their arithmetic concentrations and help improve their calmness as well as they were being very much focused. Here is a supplement that is big in the US. It's not FDA approved yet, but this one is known to be really good with its immune response. It can be found on CVS. So, ginseng and the athletic performance. Ginseng helps with muscle recovery on healthy adults along with the regeneration of muscles, especially in athletes who are very much really active. This is due to muscle tears. Ginseng is known to help with recovery. So when we have a good recovery process, it reduces fatigue, along with taking ginseng on a regular basis may help reduce the risk of injuries, particularly in the muscles, ligaments, and can improve athletic performance. So it all connects. Some safety issues for the supplement is like it can cause insomnia, nervousness, headaches, upset stomach, skin reactions, allergic reactions. You just want to make sure you don't have any reactions with any medications like digoxin, morphine, blood thinners, insulin. Those are really big ones. Talk to your doctor about if you're interested about taking ginseng, but it's really important you make sure you don't have any interactions with it. So, in conclusion, I would recommend ginseng to an athlete with caution, though. Just to summarize ginseng, it's known to be a big on endurance, reducing fatigue, enhancing cognitive functions. Some things to keep in mind, though, is making sure the athlete knows the side effects when taking ginseng. In addition, making sure the athlete is not on any other medications such as blood thinners, insulins, or any stimulants that may have an interference with the athlete's performance. As well, it takes a couple weeks to kick in. As we can see with our results, our research, it's not something that you just wake up like caffeine one day to another and you're doing so good. It takes a while. So it's a great supplement for athletes, but it's always good to start with nutrition, hydration, sleep, and proper training before trying this supplement. And like always, make sure you talk to your doctor or a dietitian for the best use of this supplement. These are my references. Thank you.